Hello all. Today in this video, previously you would have seen this code, but here I haven't provided sessions for that. Session is nothing but it will show some difference between the previous line and the other line. That is this session for this session for this. So in this code, in this video, I will show how to create sessions in MATLAB. For that you can just click this and you have to just give this insert. So this will just insert and session. So now you can see there is a color change, right? Once we are giving a control Z, you can see it's a color change. So this is it's since a paddy crop classification, I'm just giving at the paddy crop classification, and since we are using CNN, I am also just using giving it as CNN. Then this this is for calling the images, right? So we can use another session for here. So in this, now you can see the previous session, it is showing some different colors. So in this I'm just showing importing the data set. So in the next line, splitting, we are just splitting the data set, right? So here I am using another thing. So now you can see there is some sessions and there is some changes. So if you want to keep your code organized, means you can just use session. So here I am just using split data set. Then here visualizing data set, right? So for that also I'm using some other thing. So by this, you can just split your code and just create sessions. But sessions, if you're want to just use with, if you think you may just copy some lines and use till that, means it's not possible. If you see, means it is enabled if you are copying. If you are not, means it will be enabled or else it will be disabled. So here original training of CNN. Then confusion matrix plot. So like this you can create sessions and make difference between the lines. So then if you want to make comments, for that you have to just comment a line, means you have to just make this. Yeah, you no need to this line and you have to make this as comment, means you have to just click over here and here you have to just make a comment. If you want to uncomment it, means comment first, you have to comment and then you have to just give this line. So this all betweens what are the things they have given in the insert. Then if you want to function some images, that it provide some functions, means you can just use this, and they have also given some different categories, right? So based on that you can just use this. So this is so basic thing in MATLAB. So we will see in the another video some other basic things and some other implementations of code in MATLAB and Python. Thank you.